Morning. Today is September 8th, Monday morning, 8 in the morning. And this is the Monday update of the house, guys. So I got with me my trusty sidekick here, Miss Bella. Oh, look at
It's a rainy day.
That's right. It's a rainy day, but it's a good day. Look at that. The turkeys are out, guys. Now, it's a rainy day, but it's a good day for this reason. I need to know if my house is leaking or not, right? So what I'm going to do today is we're going to give you the update. I'm going to take care of the birds later. All right. So I'm on the porch, or as I call it, the moat. Let me give y'all this shot of the moat. Let me back it up for you. So we got the moat out here. And what I did was, over the weekend, we started adding water in the moat. Y'all see that, guys? Y'all see that? Check it out. Look at this. The camera. Watch it. Boom. There you go. I gave you a little shot at the camera underwater. You're gonna see my hand come up. Let me clear that up. So basically, with this moat, they filled it up to this line. They're putting more water in there now. But we just wanted to see if this thing holds water. The water is clear. You check it out. The water is clear. We'll clean all this debris out later. But we just want to know if it holds water. So on the Monday morning update, got my third carpenter here. I'm gonna walk around, but let's go with what's happening first. So Miss Bella, tell them what we missed while we was out in Cebu.
So we missed putting the fake ceiling. I mean, this one first, yeah.
Yes.
The glass.
Right.
The glass here and the glass, the bump out.
All right.
And the fake ceiling.
Hold on. Let's get on in there and show them that fake ceiling. So check it out. So you got the bump out. They're already starting the inside of the kitchen. When we get inside, all our windows are officially inside the house. All the windows are officially installed, guys. They are installed. And I come out the sliding door. Look right here. Check it out. These guys already doing the side of the house. So before you know it, the side of the house to the front is all gonna be finished with the smoothing and all that stuff. We're gonna put that skin coat on, just like that white right there. And we're gonna be going to get painting this house. So anybody got any ideas of colors, definitely let me know. But hey, there's more. Here it is, there's more. Boom. So this right here is for Mr. Wilson. Mr. Wilson said he wanted to see the bump out, right? And while we was gone, look, they put in the windows, guys. I'm doing a slow panoramic for you guys. Let me just put this camera down for a minute. Just keep it still. And I'm gonna use the 360 and let it pan around. But Mr. Wilson asked to see this bump out. So there you go, guys. We got the bump out. Now, when they do the skin coat, look at this. We got a guy that comes and he sand this wall down so it's super duper smooth. Now, don't mind the noise, but we're still going through. So I got Q Wilson that asked what we're gonna do with this room. This is my master bedroom. We're gonna throw a window here. He asked me about, Mr. Q, he asked me about how did I get this done. They had to knock a hole in this wall and redo it to get my shampoo stuff, all that together. So we got Mr. Dodo, who puts on the skin coat, and then we got Mr. Junior, who actually sands it. So they're working in unison. And as you see, I got all windows now. All windows. This is what the bedroom looked like. I'm gonna give y'all a higher view as I spin around. And then this is what Miss Bella was talking about. So don't forget, when we get right here, look at that. Take a look. What do you see? It's done, guys. It is done. But wait, there is more. Let me go in the bedrooms for you. Bam! I'm not finished. Let's go in the other bedroom. Bam! We definitely not finished. We got Mr. Jeffrey early in the morning. I'm just waking up, so I'm missing it. He is starting the plumbing, guys. And his whole job for the next 2 weeks is the CR, the bathroom. He's on that. But wait, guys, there is more. So what I'm gonna do for you guys today is, hold this, because we got Mr. Link. Here you go, Miss Bella, take that. So we got Mr. Link. And what I decided to do was, Mr. Link, I got my doggone trusty phone, because you keep asking me about how high was the ceiling before and after. All right, so may I have what Mr. Link wants? So here we go, guys. So follow me, Miss Bella, so you can get a better sight, right? And Mr. Link, this is for you. So you wanted to know how tall was the ceiling when we got started. So if I do this right, give me 1 minute, guys. We're gonna make this thing work out. I just got some doggone property steel. Yeah. Hold on. Okay. So from the top, whoops.
Hold,
We're gonna cut that again. All right, here we go.
hold that by then.
Okay, that's perfect. All right. And here, there, let me put this.
1 foot.
Okay, there's 1 foot. All right, so here we go, guys. To the bottom. See, we are at 11. What is that? We're at 11 feet, guys. We're at 11 feet. So, that's the length. And this is for not the ceiling. But like I said, there's more. Now I got my cell phone. So with my cell phone, what we're gonna do is, we're going into the finished bedroom. But I'm gonna switch cameras because we don't like to see the fish tank bubble effect on my 360. So Miss Bella, would you kindly turn off the 360 and follow me into the doggone bedroom? Would you kindly turn off the 360 and follow me into the doggone bedroom? All right. So Mr. Lane, I'm giving a wider shot. This is what it looks like on my cell phone from top to bottom. And I did this before. Miss Bella, hold that camera. Put it on me. And we're gonna do it again. Yeah, I did that. All right, here we go. And 1, 2, 3, flip it. There. From top to bottom, and we bring it down, my arm will reach. But if it's correct, wait, when I measure this is at 8. And when we bring it back,
Nahirapan sa
that's a
pag...
9.5. So basically, these ceilings are roughly 9.5 ceilings. So we didn't lose, we lost like about ½ inch length. So remember, I'm gonna call this film, do a tour with this song, let us see this ceiling and the ceiling in the other room. Take this tour. And show them the whole room when you walk in there. Top to bottom, side to side, walk around, let them see what you do. Now come on back out. Hopefully he got that picture that's not fish eyes. And same thing with the bathroom.
Aray.
From where Jeffrey is, going up to where they have the fake ceiling already. There we go. That's where they're getting ready to put the floating ceiling. And let's follow it. Okay. Now tell me get rid of the noise. But that's Link. There you go. No more doing stuff for you, Link, man. You're killing me with your questions and your comments. But that's your last one. So, with no further ado, we got, as I always say more, the water tank that's over there and the hole that they dug is now at 120 feet, guys. And we're just getting ready to get the supplies. And I'll do a video when they do an installation of all the wiring and pump and all that and get the doggone water going. But that's pretty much it. And then the last one we're gonna finish is I'm gonna come over here. If this doggone, as y'all see it, my doggone moat, no, my pond is coming together. And we're gonna leave the water in here for about a week. And what we're gonna do is we're just gonna make sure this thing holds water. And then I'll go into video number 3, guys. And then, oh, there's more. So I did a video that was on our regular water. And what we decided to do, the truck is coming. And we got the water guy coming. So you're going to see us on our regular day.
11 nakabuok daw.
There we go. So what we normally do, right here. So what we normally do is we set these out and that water truck comes in and they get the water and they bring it back. It's much faster than we have to go into town for water and to come back. All right, you can pause it.
How can I pause it?
Cut it off. Stop it. It don't.
It just bring 11 only.
Okay. Good.
Nakasi siyo 1,000? Wala.